going on YouTube? You clicked, so now I am going to unbox. Today, as you can know by the title, I'm unboxing the PlayStation 4 Pro. A couple things with the Pro: you get the 4K HDR gaming. It's actually 4K upscaling. Also, you get increased rendering distances, graphics. It also just runs better. Newer PS4. So I'm getting this because my PS4, I got it, it's the launch PS4, so it's about almost 6 years old now, so I figured an upgrade was necessary. So first thing, you get these nice flaps, like it opens up very nicely, and this is what you see. So let's try to open up this flap here. First thing they give you is this little instruction manual. I'm sure it'll be easy to set up, it's just a PlayStation, you know. So we'll put that to the side. Check out the actual PS4 here. So this is kind of what you see as you unbox it. All right, so let's just go ahead and take this out of the box. It's almost like two boxes here in one. Here is the actual PS4. Comes in this cardboard box. With another little manual type deal. You get your box with all your cords. We'll go through those in just a second. So let's actually get a look at this PS4. I am so excited. I've been wanting to get this for a minute now. Here is my PlayStation 4 Pro. It has a much cleaner, slimmer look than the old PlayStation. Very upgraded. It looks a lot cleaner. It's the jet black version. The other one had like a glass on the other side. I don't know. This just seems a whole lot cleaner to me. So here it is. Get a nice, good look at it. You can also go to the link in the description, which is my gaming channel, which you can actually see me using this PlayStation 4 Pro. Also check out me unboxing the PlayStation camera, which is also used on my gaming channel, and I will connect to this PS4. So let's go through the cords. This is our power cord. Looks like a charging cable for the controller. Here's the controller that you get. Standard jet black controller. They give you a little mic that comes with the PS4. Not gonna touch that. I have my Astros. If you want me to do an Astros A40TR review and just get a look at what I use for my gaming headset, leave a like and comment, say Astro. All you gotta do is put in the comments to Astro, and I will do a review video on my Astro A40TRs. Also, I'll tell you where to get them the cheapest, because it's actually cheaper if you do go on a different website. Also, I'm gonna put in the link in the description where I bought mine. I bought mine through Best Buy. I highly recommend Best Buy. It actually got delivered a day early, which is amazing. A new HDMI cord. I have like 12 HDMI cords, so I don't know. Charging cable for the controller. So let's just get you another good look at this PlayStation 4 Pro. Super clean. I'm super excited with how this looks and how it was boxed. It had pretty decent boxing. The presentation, it could have been a little bit better. I like to look at that. Like, for instance, when I unboxed my MacBook, the presentation was really nice. When you open the box, first thing you see is the MacBook. With this, you kind of see another box. Not much you can do about that, but what are you gonna do? I like presentation when I'm unboxing something. So yeah, here's why you probably clicked on the video. Is it worth the $400 American to upgrade from your other PS4? Now, if you're heavily into gaming, then yes. If you're a casual gamer, play it every once in a while, is it? I don't know. That's all on you, whether you want to spend the money to upgrade. I know the PS4 Pro runs a lot better, a lot smoother, better cooling system. Got your 4K HDR gaming. It also plays 4K video. It does not have the 4K Blu-ray player. The only thing that the Xbox does have over the PlayStation at this time, which I'm sure on the next version they will add in. They can't let Xbox just have the upper hand like that. So in my opinion, yes, it is worth it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Is it worth the $400 to get the PlayStation Pro when you already have one? I just upgraded mine. You can also upgrade yours for $400. I mean, it's spendy, man. I get it. Like, people don't just have $400 laying around. That's why I waited so long to actually upgrade to this PS4. But I'm super excited to try it out. If you do enjoy this video, be sure to drop a like on, subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more unboxings, I'm gonna try to upload much more, do little review videos. I might review my gaming monitor that I use, my headset, even my 4K HDR TV that I bought. I can just do review videos on those. So let me know in the comments if you want to see that. Don't forget to leave a like on the video. But if you do enjoy this video, drop a like, subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think of this video, what you think I could have done better, more explanation you want. I can actually do a follow-up video and actually do a review video on this PlayStation 4 Pro. If you want to see that, leave it in the comments. Let me know. Say review PS4 in the comments. That's all you got to put. Drop a like, let me know. And until next time, until the next unboxing, click to unbox. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Really hope you do enjoy, and we'll see you next time.